Many people are feeling the pinch from an increased cost of living, especially the high inflation that we all are experiencing around the world. And as we all know, worrying about money can be very overwhelming and sometimes devastating. Sometimes your thoughts may even keep you up at night, just wondering about finances. How are you going to pay things? How are you going to finance things? How are you going to save and eventually retire at some point? Well, today we're going to talk about 5 different ways that you can lower your stress. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. Let's get into it. As you already know, lowering your financial stress can be very advantageous to your overall well-being and your overall health. Here are 5 effective ways to reduce that stress. You want to create a budget. I know we always talk about budgets, but just think, a budget is a plan that can help you manage money on a monthly basis. Develop a detailed budget that can actually outline your income, your expenses, and your savings goals. By tracking your finances, you can gain better control over your money. Identify areas that you can cut expenses, and be sure to live within your means. There are also several apps that you can use as well to monitor your budget. Or let's face it, if you're old school like me, sometimes just a regular pen and paper will do the trick. No matter how you track your budget, just remember to stick to it. That is the goal here, to stick to it. Debt management is another way that you can reduce stress. Prioritize paying off high interest credit cards first, and even high interest personal loans. Create a debt repayment plan and stick to it. Allocate any extra money that you have to reducing those credit cards or loans or the debt that you have before you. This will relieve the burden of high interest charges and improve your overall financial outlook. Reward yourself for your hard work. When you pay off a bill or reach a certain goal or save money, find a way to celebrate your success. It doesn't have to be a very high price outing. It could be something very small, but find a way to truly celebrate the hard work that you've done thus far. But the key here is not to overdo it and to keep in mind that you're still on the journey to reducing your financial stress. Stress reliever number 4 is save for the future. You always want to make sure that you're investing in the company's 401k or 403b or any type of investment program that they have. Because again, you don't want to work all your life and not have any savings for your retirement. Automatic contribution to these retirement plans will definitely help you. It will help you in that if you don't even gain access to the money, you will never really miss it. The sooner you start, the less you will be stressed out about your finances. Get started today, and I can assure you, you will find that because you started today, you've accumulated a certain amount of wealth over a short period of time. Not to mention the amount you will save over your career. Stress reliever number 5, please seek professional advice whenever you need it. Don't wait. If you feel like you need professional advice, even if it's that of a financial advisor, financial planner, or debt reduction program, or a therapist, whatever it is, guys, make sure that you are raising your hand and you're getting the help that you need. They can help you tailor your financial plans to your needs. They can help you set achievable goals and provide financial strategies that you can adhere to. Having a trusted financial expert can alleviate stress as well. Keep in mind also that mindfulness exercises and learning or employing stress relieving techniques in your daily routine can help drive down stress. Well, guys, I've given you 5 different ways to reduce financial stress. I hope that this has been very helpful for you. Just remember, many people have financial stress. You are not alone. Keep making small steps to reducing your debt. And remember, financial security is your goal, and it is a journey. Making continuous small steps to improve your future can significantly and ultimately relieve your financial stress. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If you know of other ways to reduce financial stress, Please share that in the comments below. Additionally, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.